ginaganda mula ulo, mukhang paa. Hindi po ako sandiwata, ako isang manikang nagsasalita. Oh yes, I'm a dahil member ako ng Budol Gang. Ang sarap talaga ng tite! Trabaho, ipon, travel, enjoy! Ako po si Ariel Baliga Bashera, aka Bea Bunda, ang mananahing kontesera ng Leyong Apparel and Corporation, sa Rosario, Cavite. At ako po ang baklang, minsan na tumutong sa entablado ng Miss Q&A August 18, 2017, Season 1, at December 30, 2018, Season 2. And I believe that being here on the stage is not just a battle to get the crown, to win the title or to have the prize. This is the battle between me, myself, and I to show people the advantage of being who I am. That I'm a person that lives in one body with two personalities and hundreds of responsibilities, not only in the family, friends, in the society, but into this world, because I, as always experienced, that I can reach the top of the world. At naniniwala pa ako muli na ang tao pag bumaba, katulad ko po, mahaba ang baba. And I, thank you.